Welcome to Mr. Crypto. Today, we're diving into a powerful question that's been heating up debates around the world. Is China winning the trade war? The trade war between China and the United States has been going on for years, with both sides imposing tariffs, restricting tech access, and competing for global influence. But lately, the tide seems to be shifting. So is China actually coming out on top? First, let's look at global trade. Despite tariffs and restrictions from the US, China's exports have remained strong. In fact, they've increased in many markets across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Chinese companies have become more flexible, finding new trade partners and adapting their strategies to bypass economic pressure. Now, on the tech front, the US tried to slow China down by banning Huawei, restricting chip sales, and blacklisting tech companies. But China responded by investing billions into its own semiconductor industry, artificial intelligence, and green energy tech. Today, China is leading in electric vehicles, solar panel production, and 5G technology. On the financial side, China is slowly challenging the dominance of the US dollar. More countries are using the Chinese yuan for trade, especially with BRICS nations expanding and pushing for de-dollarization. China's digital currency, the digital yuan, is already being tested for international use. Then there's the Belt and Road Initiative, China's global infrastructure project. It's helping China build influence in over 140 countries by funding roads, railways, and ports. This is giving China a massive advantage in shaping the future of trade routes and international cooperation. But the picture isn't completely one-sided. China is facing serious internal challenges: slowing economic growth, a declining population, youth unemployment, and a struggling real estate market. Meanwhile, some foreign businesses are pulling out or shifting their supply chains to countries like India or Vietnam. So, is China winning the trade war? It's not a simple yes or no. China has made massive gains and has proven incredibly resilient, but it still faces major obstacles. The US may have sparked the trade war to weaken China, but instead, it might have pushed China to become stronger, more independent, and more strategic. One thing's for sure, this isn't just a trade war anymore. It's a battle for who will lead the future of global economics, technology, and influence. Thanks for watching Mr. Crypto. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more insights on global events, crypto, and the future of finance. Catch you in the next one.